Alright, I clicked on blank slide, typed in student name or character. You click up here, whatever you type here will go here. That's how you find it in your drive. That's how it's named. This will be like how you type in their links. Like if you want them to go to Boom Cards, type in Boom Cards, highlight it, insert link, and then the website. Hit apply. Then when you go here, go to share. Click this right here. It'll probably say anyone in Johnson County Schools. Then you click this, change it to restricted. Hit done, hit share again. And then you'll see I'm the only one that can see it right now. You type in whoever you want right here and share it to only those people. When you link this back to your Google site, only those people can view this slide presentation. This is what mine looks like. That's what they see when they click on it. The next slide has their passwords and stuff on it. The next slide starts their work. They'll click here and it'll take them to their work, which is here. And then here's my first day activities. Reading my school, rocking my school shoes. They'll click here, it'll take them to Seesaw. Getting to know you, it's a Boom learning activity. They click there, it takes them to Boom. They click here, it takes them to Google Meet. And this is shared. This one I have shared with all the kids because this is just general links and they have their own passwords. And I have it set up so when they click on this, it just takes them to the website. It doesn't take them into their own account.